Hi, my name is Mayank Solanki and I'm the founder of VAL-ED initiatives. Our program Saksham has been running in your school successfully this past year. As an extension of it, we invite you now to be part of our learning and fun process. I invite you on the 19th of November to join us for a parent-student event by the name Piece of Art. Piece of Art is being designed on the principles of art therapy and empathy. It's very important that children and parents have a sense of connection, understanding, and acceptance of each other. It is dependent on active listening, open-heartedness, and the willingness to accept the opinion of others. How we can do that through art in a playful, fun, engaging, and most importantly, a memorable way is something that you will find out on this event. Please join us without fail.